Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Eero mesh Wi-Fi for smart home devices step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Eero devices are plugged in and powered on. Connect your smartphone or tablet to your Eero Wi-Fi network. Open the Eero app on your device. Navigate to the settings menu by tapping on the gear icon. Select Reset Eero from the list of options. Choose the Eero you wish to restore to factory settings. Confirm your selection by tapping on Reset. Wait a few moments for the Eero to complete the reset process. Once the Eero has reset, it will flash a white light indicating it's ready for setup. If you have multiple Eero devices, repeat the reset process for each one. After resetting, tap on Set up a new network in the Eero app. Follow the on-screen prompts to configure your Eero network. Name your network and create a secure password. Place each Eero unit in its desired location for optimal coverage. Once all Eero devices are connected, the app will show their status. Ensure you reconnect your smart home devices to the newly established network. Test your smart home devices to confirm they are working correctly. Congratulations, your Eero mesh Wi-Fi is now restored for optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.